Welcome to this video on customer behavior prediction using machine learning. In this project, we build an end-to-end ML pipeline that predicts whether a customer will purchase a product based on demographic and financial data. This is a complete academic-ready project, ideal for data science learners and anyone building a professional portfolio. This project analyzes customer data to understand buying patterns and predicts if a user will purchase a product based on features like age, gender, estimated salary, and previous purchase behavior. The goal is to build accurate ML models that classify customers into will purchase or will not purchase. This type of prediction is used widely in marketing, retail, and customer segmentation. The dataset includes columns like user ID, gender, age, estimated salary, and purchased, which is our target variable. There are over 400 customer entries, each representing one purchase decision, providing a robust foundation for our analysis. We perform complete preprocessing, including removing unnecessary columns, checking for missing values, and encoding the gender feature. We then split the dataset into training and testing sets and apply scaling or normalization to features as required. Exploratory data analysis, or EDA, helps us understand the dataset's characteristics. EDA includes a scatter plot of estimated salary versus age, a histogram of purchase decisions, and a KD curve for income distribution. These visuals help us understand that higher income and age groups show stronger purchasing behavior. We implement and compare 3 machine learning models: logistic regression, decision tree classifier, and linear regression. Logistic regression serves as a simple baseline model for binary classification, achieving an accuracy of 83% on the test set. The decision tree classifier captures nonlinear patterns and feature interactions, performing best with an impressive 90% accuracy. Linear regression, while weaker for classification, is used for extended numeric prediction tasks, such as estimating spending scores. We evaluate models using key metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, and the confusion matrix. The decision tree consistently achieves the highest performance, making it the recommended model for this dataset. Key insights discovered include that customers aged 35 and above with higher incomes have a significantly higher chance of purchasing. Gender has a mild influence, but salary and age are the strongest predictors, and the decision tree works best for this type of dataset. Our deliverables include the Python code in a Jupyter notebook, the dataset in CSV format, a full project report, and a PowerPoint presentation. This project demonstrates the entire machine learning workflow, from data understanding and pre-processing to model building and evaluation. It's a great project for students and beginners looking to apply ML to real-world business use cases. Thank you for watching.